Earlier this year, state reps passed a bill known as the Charlie Kirk Act. House Republicans trying to stop what they say is leftist indoctrination in New Hampshire public schools.
Right now, in schools that you and I fund with our tax dollars, children are being subjected to critical race theory and radical gender ideology, not as mere topics of discussion, but as doctrine.
But on Tuesday, the Senate Education Committee took a different view, backing an amendment from Senator Darrell Abbas that rewrites the bill as an attempt to revive the classroom anti-discrimination law struck down by a federal judge in 2024, in part for being too vague.
I read the court pages, 50 pages of that opinion, where they discussed the vagueness and how they arrived at that conclusion. And part of the reason, the rationale of the court was they felt that the penalty was rather harsh when it's not like a clear line in the sand when someone's violating or not.
The amended bill would wipe out civil penalties in the law, making violations strictly the purview of teacher oversight within the Department of Education. And a violation would have to be purposeful, meaning to face punishment. An educator would have to intentionally break the law. This is still a major partisan flashpoint. Democrats argue that even this more limited version will trigger additional lawsuits.
This is going to go right back to court. And we have to stop passing legislation for the purpose of going to court with it.
I just think that we are going too far. The courts have told us we've gone too far, and we're back at it again. So why don't we just leave it alone? There's not a problem.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.